The prize has arrived. A colossal drumstick, destined for the biggest feast of the year.
Mixing the golden armor. Every granule of flour is a secret spice, forming the legendary crust.
Mining the flavor treasure. Absolute caution is needed. Even a pinch too much changes everything.
Safe landing achieved. The chicken bathes in golden oil, beginning its journey to ultimate crispness.
Temperature control is key. Just 1 degree of error decides between crispy and chewy.
Golden quality check. The crust must achieve a perfect, non-negotiable, golden brown standard.
Phase 1 complete. Successfully salvaging the golden nugget from the boiling sea of oil.
The final secret, a boost from the wind spirit. The crispy layer is locked in, challenging all humidity.
The ultimate verification. The crunch echoes, confirming a true culinary masterpiece.
It is time! The American fried chicken is served. A great feast, a great flavor.
Look at that sizzle!
It's perfect, the best batch yet!
Let's celebrate!
Check the consistency on the next pile.
Looks good here, Foreman. No discoloration.
Lower it slowly!
We did it!
The foundation of all great fried chicken. High quality, fresh pieces. The journey begins with the canvas.
The buttermilk brine. This is a critical first step. The acidity and enzymes in the milk begin to tenderize the meat.
The dredging station, a carefully balanced mixture of flour and leavening agents. This will become the vehicle for the ultimate crispy crust.
Okay, team, keep it moving. We need more on the drumstick.
Bring the forklift around.
So for the first dredge, make sure it is completely submerged. Pat it down gently, then lift and shake off the excess like this.
The pieces must rest. This allows the coating to hydrate and adhere, forming a skin that won't fall off during the violent frying process.
Okay, bring it up slightly on my mark, and...
Solid. We are clear for the next phase.
The fry begins. The violent bubbling is moisture escaping the chicken, rapidly turning to steam. This steam inflates and sets the crispy crust.
The chicken piece now floats to the surface, a sign that it is almost cooked through.
The internal temperature must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, folks. This is the most important rule. It guarantees the chicken is
Listen, that is the sound of a perfectly formed, dehydrated crust. It is the audible proof of a successful fry.
Behold, the ultimate fried chicken! A